Recording in progress. Recording in progress. Recording in progress. Recording in
मेरा हैंग नहीं होगा उधर हैंग हुआ अच्छा कॉन्फ़िगरेशन वाला लैपटॉप है हैंग नहीं होता npm start okay so which one you want to complete first backend part backend in the sense admin module will complete first then we'll come to the user module so go to the app.js file login user login equal to true you can make user login is true. Now, which application is loading? Admin application or something else? Admin application. First, we'll make ready dashboard. Then my order, name product, product list, and then we'll make the not login logout. We'll come to the other part. So first go to the dashboard.js file under the admin folder. Dashboard.js file under the admin folder. We wanted to use the icons also, font awesome icon. Font awesome icon also we want to use here. So font awesome icon, what we will do, you can link here CDN directly. So go to the, you have this folder, icon folder anywhere? Yes, sir. Where I don't know where it is installed. But some error. You have to install properly. Something you made mistake.
While installing, sir.
That I don't know.
Sir, installation.
Under the project, you should do the installation part. Replace this SRC, then check.
Okay, sir.
You have some problem in your code. Okay, so SRC folder is
Yes, sir.
available at. You can use that. SRC folder you can use, it is available in your chat complete. Icon folder, we remember. If you have icon folder, then take the icon folder and keep under the SRC folder. I will share you this one in the chat also. SRC folder, you can keep that icon folder.
Sir, from where we will be getting these icons?
Icon folder, the people have learned CSS, they should have this. I share this folder in chat.
Yes, sir. Or else, sir, can we have installed something component on React?
Everyone will do mistake. Okay, if it is in the class, then okay. Yes. Then individual I can go and fix. Okay, or do one thing, don't take this folder also. Just stop this folder. Go to W3, take the CDN. Type here W3 font awesome. W3 font awesome. CDN. W3 font awesome CDN. W3 space font awesome CDN. W3 is also will open. In that, the first link is font awesome intro. You can click there. We'll share that link also. You can see this link. This link you have to copy. I'm sharing in your chat also. Link is available in the chat, or go to W3. But we search internet, W3 font awesome CDN. W3 came first link. In that link, this content is available. Okay, so got the link. This link we need to go to our project. In public folder, you have a SR. A public folder, you have a index.html. Public folder index.html. There, so many comments are there. If you delete, you can delete all the commented code. Whichever the green line is, green block. Delete those. It will reduce the heaviness of the code. It will reduce the heaviness of the page. Okay, then you need to add this link here only. The link you have copied. If you are not deleting anything, is okay. Just add this line here. If you are not deleting anything, that is also fine. Add that line here. Okay, hope I did. You can check whether really link is working or not. Right? This is called CDN. Directly you are linking that to where? Server. If everything is done, they will go to the dashboard.js file. Okay, click on dashboard.js. Come now. within this H1 for testing purpose, I class name FA hyphen desktop FA hyphen 5x save this and verify once. Is that giving any big icon? Big icon.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Monitor IP. Yes.
This represent
Yes, sir.
that icon is calling. Simple line, click in the URL, add it where index.html. Index.html will call every time. So every time your that file what is calling from the server, it will call and it will be under your project folder. In project folder, everywhere we can access in any folder, either admin or user, in any component, everywhere we can find, because all are going to the index only, and in index we have the library, so it will work properly. So no one error, correct? Okay, so we'll go here in dashboard file and modify now. You have to start from the division, class name container, empty45, next division, class row, next division, call LG12, X enter, but text primary don't add, let it be default color. Black will come by default. Class name container, row, call LG12 text center, H1. Is not coming in center. How it will come here? Bootstrap we have not linked. Bootstrap have a link anywhere? No. So no need to worry. Let's come down. Write the next point. Row is ended. Second row you are writing. Division. Or LG 6. Inside the 6. For this row level, you can write text center. All my products. Add some number 100. I class name will come. Write it and we'll come to the CSS part.
अभी मैं काम करूँ
Okay, so hope your icon is coming. Something like this. My all orders are not coming. Icon, what is that? FA icon headset. Headset icon O, old version. No. Phone symbol is coming. Okay. Next, we can change the color of the first 6 text icon info. Second 6 text icon. One will be sky blue, another will be, or maybe second one you can keep warning.
Sir, third div should be class name, no? Only class.
Last name.
Third div. Below that.
Here is also class name. Everywhere class name. Okay, so done till here. Now we'll come to the CS, that index.js file to import that bootstrap line. Index.js file we have under the src folder, main folder. Go here after index.css or maybe before index.css. We will import here bootstrap test css bootstrap dot main dot css. Check now, coming.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll learn a little this header file so that it will look better. The button will be in the right side and the left side will have something. Index.css file be added here and it's visible properly. Not index bootstrap.main.css file be added. It's visible properly. Come next now. That is all which one? Admin header. Yeah, admin header. Go to the admin header. In admin header, we have to modify this section. So we can change this UL to division. Division. Class name. Container. So you might do some mistake, okay? Spelling, open, close, open, close, double quote, close, single quote, those kind of mistake. So write it slowly, but write perfectly. Then inside that, we can create a division, and that division you pick class name call hyphen LG hyphen 4 and create one more call 8 and 4. 8 and 4. In the 8 you will write text end. It will print in the right side. Text end. After that, you will remove all the LIs. All LI you can remove. The VS Code will give the error. Sound will come when some error happen. Somewhere is a setting. I need to find and disable that. Error will happen while typing. Some sound will come. Okay, so make like this first. Modify 8 and 4. Okay, I've written 8 4. Now under the 8 you will find navigation will come. Text end we have written class equal to text end. It's not moving in right side. It should print in the right side. Text end. Okay, we can see. Now for this buttons link, you need to write a class name btn hyphen primary info success Warning. Last one is danger. Some reason it is not going to the right side. We need to see. Hmm? It's right. Right. Go on to the left side. Class name call hyphen LG hyphen 8. 8 plus 4, 12 only, no? Text right is not there. It's called text end. But I believe something wrong is happening here. Leave class name container. A row is not there, yeah, that is the problem. Because of that entire formula is getting wrong. A row open, a row closed in the last. Then you apply the class. Row was not written because of that. It was not detecting the classes for column. Now it will fit properly. In container, you can write empty 4. So from top there will be 24 pixel gap. It will look perfect. Okay, so complete till here and let me know also. Based on that, we will write the next part. Yeah, so done for everyone. Now button should look little a smooth button. Correct? You can see look like there is a lot of space. It's looking like one start, second end, one start, second end. We can combine this button together. So go inside the column, follow a division, close this division here in the last. after the last UL, and right here the last name, class name as a BTN minus group. Class equal to BTN group. All will be combined. It will not look like the space between you and me, half from top and half in the left. Okay. Next, after this, we will work on icon part. Dashboard will have icon. My order will have icon. New product will have icon. Product will have icon. Logout will have icons. Okay. So inside the dashboard, before text, open the iTag and close the iTag and give one space. Open and close and give one space. Okay, open, close and give one space. Next, after this, write class equal to FA hyphen home. FA home. See, if the tab is open, tab is not closed, it will give the error. Orders. In orders, we can keep call that same phone icon. FA phone. FA phone. Right, so home and phone icon is coming.
Yes, sir.
Next, we will add here called new product. New product, you can write called FA plus. FA plus. FA. Everything is working, only icon is not coming. Icon, to bring icon, you have to add that link in which file. You need to reply the Riyaz Alam, you need to reply link you have added in which file. The font or some link you have added in which file. No, I think during that time you have gone somewhere else. We have taken the link and that link we have added in the which file? Index.html file. Yes. This link is here. In public folder, there is a file index.html. Add this link. I have sent that link in the Zoom chat also. That icon folder in SRC was not required. Okay, I have sent you the link. Add that in index.html in public folder. Now, FA product list. Now come down and write one more here called power off. That is nothing but log out. FA power hyphen off. It will be log out symbol. The power off shutdown symbol. The link I have sent, that link you need to add in the file called index.html in public folder. After that, you will get the okay. Next, after this, you can check once. So look like this. Now it look like informative page. Before that page was black and white. Now it's look proper. Okay, look similar. Now we need to have one something in the left side. Okay, so go to the call LG4 now, and you can use text center. Under the text center, you can write a H1 tag. SELLER, seller, correct? Seller spelling is correct or wrong?
Yes, yes.
Select seller CRM. Seller CRM. Your last name, text hyphen, which color? Danger. Seller CRM. Okay. There, under the H1, you can write one icon. Write class equal to FA shopping bag. FA shopping hyphen bag. FA shopping hyphen bag. Seller CRM added. Now see, it look like this. Seller CRM. On the top we have some menus, right? This is the content. This will come after login. This will come after login. Yes. Now this other pages should be functional. Header will be same everywhere. Whichever the page you go, header will be same. Now pages should have different type of design and different type of data. Okay, so dashboard is ready. This will be dynamic. How many product you will add, that will come here. How many orders you will receive, that will come. If dashboard is ready for everyone, then we can move to the other file.
हेलो सर।
Tell me, sir.
हाँ सर, सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कमा और डबल इन्वर्टेड कमा सर दोनों सेम है क्या?
You can use anyone, double quote, single quote.
सर ये जो क्लास में आता है बीटीएन के जो पहले सर सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कमा है, मैंने डबल इन्वर्टेड कमा दिया फिर भी सेम ही आ रहा है।
You write anything, double or single, both will work. I also have written single or double.
यस सर, बट क्लास नेम डालने के बाद ऑटोमेटिक डबल आ जा रहा है, इसीलिए पूछ रहा था सर। ओके सर।
Okay, so hope everyone is done. Go to the next file. That is called next file is this one. College.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll go to the order page. In order page, again container is required, row column is required. Division. Last name. Container. MP4. Division. Or G12. Center. H1. recent order. Recent orders. Paper on recent orders. Zero you write by default. You will make it dynamic. Okay, done. And orders.
Yes, sir.
Zero. Next, come to the new product. This container to container we can copy. Copy this much. Come to the new product. The return part replace here. FA plus enter product details. Product details.
Same on product list, right?
No, in this page we have to do something. Yes, in this page, we have to add the remaining details of the product. So you will create a form below. After this 12, create a separate row. Create a separate row. Empty or in that we can add call this is up to 5 full width. No problem. We can take 1/6. Inside that, we can take the product name, enter product name input type equal to text, class equal to form control, create another 6. 6 you will not give, you will give for the how many are pending? 6 are pending now. So 3, enter price, next one more 3, enter quantity, price you can keep as a number, quantity also you keep as a number. So one row will be ready. Next product details. Product details will be after that product photo URL will be both we can take. So both will be 6 and 6. Name, price, quantity, happen, details, photo. So create one more row. In this row, don't add anything. This row is over. Create another row. Class name empty4. Inside you add enter product details. This will be text area. Here you need to close the text area. This should be 6, not 3. One more 6 you will create. That will be for the enter photo URL. Product photo URL. Okay. That will look little different again. Something like this. Then below a button called save button. Another row you will create. Division. Class equal to row. Follow the division. Call hyphen. G-12. Extra hyphen center. In this row again 20. P4 is required. Button. Upload the product. ATN. It will look very good form like this. There should be a space little empty for the right. We'll have proper space or empty 5 also is okay. Margin top 48 pixel. Please share the code in chat. Very good. Till how long I should share code, brother? Sharing the code is not big matter, but matter is this is your work. This is whose work? Your work or not? I am writing and you are not writing, correct? Indirectly you are putting your leg in the fire. Keep in mind, okay? This is the triple time we are learning. Third time. First time when? In React class. Second where? In the Redux. And third where? Under the project. So 3 times this work we are doing is still you need code. Don't worry, I will send you. Okay, so I will send you the complete file. New product.html. .js means new product.js. Write it. You should write, okay? If you try, then only you can learn. If you not try, you cannot learn. And let me send you live file. New product is sent in chat. One more file. Dashboard is sent in chat. One more file. Order also I should send you. Send in chat. All 3 files you have in chat, you can put it. Okay. In row we are written amplify. So this button, this row will leave 48 pixels from the previous row. Okay, so this file is ready. Come to the next file now. That is called product list. In product list, you require till here container and first row. Container till first row we require. See, compulsory for everyone, you should write it. Why I am saying? Because this code, I have written similar project for other batch. Then again I am writing so that you will write. Correct or not? I am writing again the same thing so that you will follow me, you will write it. When you write the code at that time, you will not do the chatting, you will not go in the headset, headphone. You will be concentrate. Okay, there will be chances to understand the flow of project what you are doing. If you not write, then what will happen? You will watch. When some 2-3 file linking will happen, meanwhile you will go somewhere. Phone will come. Because you are not writing, you will give low priority to this work. You will start chatting with someone in the WhatsApp. By then what will happen? Connectivity will be breakdown. Once connectivity will break down, later you will ask me, give me the description of the project. That I am not going to write. Correct. After writing that code, I'll guide you what to write. You have to keep writing the details of the particular page. Okay, documentation. I will guide you what to write documentation. You have to write from your side. So, suggestion is, since already you are logging, correct? Even I am also not running very super fast speed. So you write it. And since you have done this twice already, one in the Redux, one in the class. I'm not counting the homework. Homework you have done separate. That is the third one. And what you are doing is the fourth one. Okay, copy the same and go to the new product. Already done. You go to the product.
yes.
In return part, paste here. You close that. Division. Okay. Division is closed. Next, after that, we have written below column FA plus is there, change to the table. And right here, product, my products, put some 10. This will get changed dynamically once we will link with the backend. Next, your page will look like this. Something. Data will come here. Then we will do the remaining work. Okay. So hope in admin all the pages are ready. Now we'll come to the functionality part. Okay, product, we should be able to add the product. We should be able to list the product. Then whatever the product we add and list, it should come in the dashboard. Next will be called order. So order, to get the order will not add from the backend. Order will come from the user. User will come in the website and then they will place the order. Okay, then order will come. So but now saving the product, listing the product, deleting the product, and displaying the count of the product in the dashboard should complete. Okay. Once that is done, product part is saving, listing is done, then this product will come in the home page for shopping purpose. People will buy from there, then we'll do the add to cart and decrement of the item inside the cart. Okay. Interesting project. It will be very interesting if you follow. You will have a complete workflow of the React, this one, e-commerce application. How workflow will happen in React e-commerce application, you will get very good idea. But you should write the code. Okay, coming next, we'll go to the out of the project folder. Come to your folder. In folder you have project folder is separate, correct?
Yes, sir.
Out of the project folder under the live project. Under the live project you have which folder? Project folder. Now under this live project folder only, here in the same folder, not inside project, out of the project, you create another folder called API. Okay. API. API folder is ready?
Yes, sir.
Now come to the code. Let's come to the code and go to the VS Code. In file, there will be option called, in file you have option called add folder to workspace. Right? Add folder to workspace. Click on that and select this folder. Which folder? API. Yeah. Under the API, we will be doing this JSON server related stuff. So that data will go to the JSON server. Under this again, you create a file, data.json. Under the API, you will create a file data.json.
Yes.
Under the data.json, you can create following arrays. One array will be one property will be product. Second property will be called cart, CART. Because when the user will come to your website, they will see the item and they'll click on add to cart, or they will click on buy now. So when they'll click on add to cart, whichever the item they'll click on add to cart, that item details will come and store under this cart. Okay. Next, after that, what will happen? After doing add to cart, user will go to the cart page. Then in cart page, we need to display all the data available under this cart. If user want to delete, they can delete from the cart. If they want to add one more, they can add one more in the cart. If they want to increase, decrease quantity, they can do under the cart. Okay. After that, after seeing everything in the cart, they will place the order. Okay, that will come under the order list. That will come under the order list. Okay, order list. Next, after that, seller will come to your website in home page, and from there the seller will register. We have made a file, register files. Correct? So that is not for the user purpose. User will come, select the product, and click on buy now, go to the order page, enter the details, and place the order. So for particular user, following items will be placed as a order. Now those order will come in application. It will store under the order list. But in one website, multiple people can sell the product. Like Flipkart. Every vendor can sell the product in the same Flipkart. Now you are selling, suppose called laptop, and on your product one order will come. Once you log in, you should see that you have received one order. I am selling mobile. If I log in there, I should see I have received an order for mobile. It should not be your order should display to me and my order should display to you. The order of product that is given by user should display to the respective seller. It should not display to the all the seller. Okay. Then seller has to log in, seller has to register. So when the seller will log in and register, it will come under this property that is called account. They are not predefined. We are writing according to our rules. Okay. So how many API ready? 4 API. Product, cart, order list, as well as account. User will register, seller will register, their details will store under the cart, under the account. When we will come and log in, that time also we will verify from the account only. Whether under the account a particular username password is exist or not. Okay. So clear till here? Yes, sir. Now next is to add the product. Add product. So first add product, then display the product, delete the product. From where? From the admin side. So here we have a page called new product. In that we require name of product, price of the product, quantity, how many is being entered, then details of the product, and then photo URL of the product. Because in JSON server you cannot upload the photo. So we have to give the URL. That URL will come from internet. JSON server will hold your URL, and when it comes to display, it will display easily inside the page. Okay, so JSON server is ready. Will not start as of now. First we'll complete this process, picking the value, creating the object, submit button, call the function, right? After that we'll start the JSON server. So go to this file that is called new product. See, project development is not like creating about us page and see and go home. Project development is where you will take a problem or someone will explain you the problem, and for that problem you are going to write the solution using the technology. The manual work you are going to convert into automate. Okay, so that is called what? Project development. There, time will take, code complexity will happen. After that, many errors will come. Okay, so if again I am coming to the same point. Which point? If you write, then the workflow will be clear. Else in the future, if anyone asks, have you done any project? With the full pride, you will say like, yes, I have done it. Then they will ask, okay, explain me what you have, how you, right? You will say, you know, I did like this, you know, like this, and like this. If you know why, he will ask from you. So that time you have to explain in the proper order. So when you can explain in the proper order, if you have developed it, right? If you develop, then only you can explain. No? Yes. If you have not developed, then you will forget the state, right? If any person will ask, okay, tell me if I modify this line, what will happen? If you have developed, then only you can answer something. Right? Writing is important. So now, after that, what we want, the challenge is to take the value from this text box. Take the value from this text box and store this data to this API. Which API? Product API. So how many people can do that? This all value take from here and send to this JSON server under which array? Product array. Your confidence should say yes or no. You tell me with full confidence, can who and all can do. I have teach you JSON server under your class, how to save the data under the JSON server. Using JavaScript also I have guided you. Right, so overall 2% can do out of 25. No, only 1% reply 2 times. Only 1% reply 2 times. It's like a Singham movie. You want to kill the villain, so don't throw from the 4th floor or 6th floor. What to do? Take him to the 2nd floor and throw 2 times. So from 2nd floor once I will throw how much? 2 floor. And again throw. Then how much? 2 plus 2, 4. Instead of throwing from the 4th floor, throw from the 2nd floor how many times? 2 times.
Sir, this is one message in 2 parts.
Huh?
That is one message in 2 parts, sir.
That's what only no. I have written one person message 2 times. I have not seen only you have written. I thought 2% reply I can do that. When I look into your message, then I remember the dialogue. This dialogue. Singham movie dialogue. Throw the same person from the 2nd floor how many times? 2 times. Okay. Other people cannot do that. Let me call by name. Okay. Ajit Kumar. You have learned in the class how to send the data to JSON server.
Yes, sir.
But why you didn't reply? Keep quiet like this. When the company will call, for group discussion, don't speak anything. Okay? Whoever will not speak, they will come with a double offer letter. Group discussion is what? You have to say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay? The company wanted to know how confident you are. That time you should pick the flag and come first, saying like I can do. Do or not, that is the next matter. Okay? Next, multiple names are there. Ajit, you should not feel why I ask you because your name is on the top. They start from A. Okay. After that,
Okay, sir.
no idea. Apeksha, no idea. Bhavik, no idea. Then Chetan Singh, no idea. Dillis Aramne, no idea. Remaining all A to Z. Everyone, no idea. So if unable to do, why we have learned 2 times? Where? During the class we have learned in JavaScript how to send the data to JSON server. In React, why we will learn how to send the data to JSON server. Compulsory you have to be which one? Practical. Be practical. Okay. Market is changing now. Okay. Come, I will guide you again. Fourth time. So first you go and call in the beginning. Which one? Import use state. Use state is required because we have to pick the value and we have to send to where? JavaScript. The value should come from the HTML and go to JavaScript. For that, which one is required? Use state is required. Now, how many text boxes we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 text box is required, and along with that, one more variable is sorry, 5 variable is required for this, and one more variable is required. The product owner, who is the seller. Okay, right? So total how many? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more called 6. Okay. So let's write here. Let p name each name equal to use state next you keep call p price p price peak price. Next we have call PQTY. Next write call pick QTY. Next write call what we have P details. Peak details. Next we have call P photo. P photo with photo. Use state empty. Use state empty. Run this all variables. Come next. You need to call this all variable. Along with that, one function is also required. Const save equal to alert pname pqty pprice pdetails photo. Okay, now come down. Go to the first text box. Call here on change. We need to pick the value of text box with the help of pick name function. Next, after that, you can use here value property also, so that later it will be easy to clear the text field. Okay, hope done. First text box. Same way we need to call everywhere. On change, pick price. P price we can write here. Quantity, PQTY. Next we have called product details. With details. P details. Pick photo URL, pick photo, P photo. Same pattern everywhere. Variable name is different. Same pattern everywhere. Variable name, function name is different. And on click, we will call the save function. Please do that. Let me know also if you have completed. Right, so many people have tried. Very good. Come next. Enter the value A, B, C, D, or maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is coming.
Yes,
That
sir.
represent you are able to capture all the values. We are able to capture all the values. These values now is able to reach till JavaScript. From JavaScript, we need to send to the API URL, backend URL. To come to the script now, and under the script, we need to now do the all the setup part. What is first? New product equal to name of the product will come from the P name. Price of the product will come from
Peoples.
P price. Quantity will come from the. Okay, so here quantity is going to make little problem. Okay. Quantity quantity don't post as a quantity. Quantity post as a stock. A stock will come from where? PQTY. Okay. Next, after that, photo will come from the P photo. Then
Details.
details will come from the P details. And last, seller. Let's keep one as of now. Later we'll take this value from the local storage. Once we complete the login functionality, then this seller ID will be dynamic. Instead of seller, keep seller ID. Seller ID, we keep pass as a 1 by default. This will be dynamic. Now let me rearrange this code so that it will be a proper object. Proper object. Next, after this, we need to have a URL where we want to post this data. So let URL equal to http://localhost:1234/product. That URL you have created there, API. Next, post configuration, what we are going to post. Post option equal to headers. Content hyphen type. Content hyphen type application slash JSON method post. Next after that
Get.
body JSON.stringify you will call and you will pass their new product. And finally, using fetch function, we need to post it. H URL comma post option dot then response dot JSON dot then server info, server response we can write here. Keep a alert as of now. Server response dot ID. Server response dot ID. Is your product ID. Something. Then below you have to clear the text field. For that, pick name, pick details, pick photo, pick price, this will save the data and clear the text box. Alert message will come. That alert we will display through the toasty file. Okay, that will guide you how to install and how to use it. So data saving will happen. Okay, ready? Then next after that, I'll share you this complete SRC folder. Your practice is much important. So what you have studied during the class time, during redux time, suggestion is for everyone. Learning is important. Okay. Everyone, you must be able to implement that. I will share in WhatsApp chat which batch you are into. You message in the group.